The HD 7470, regarded to some online as a good card for light HD gaming. But can this graphics card from 2012 with 1GB of GDDR5 VRAM get some good playable gaming results? Let's find out. The design of this card has definitely aged well. With a square cooler in the middle of the GPU and a blue PCB, this card is bound to stand out. Obviously, these cards were originally designed for small form factor systems, as they have a max TDP of only 27 watts. Now, what confuses me is that people have been able to play HD games at lower settings without any hiccups. However, sites like this Amazon page where the card is being sold say it is strictly for office use and not for gaming. So, let's find out what limits we can push this card to. But first, to fit it in our test PC, we must modify the backplate.
That's one thing I know, and I'm over to that sunny side road. Over to that sunny side road.
There we go. Let's jump into the benchmarks. So there we go. While it's not the worst experience I've ever had with a PC, this card gives you far from a playable time. While it's good for not so demanding titles from the last generation, anything newer will give you a lot of issues. I'm Owen, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.